Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Please subscribe if you haven't yet already. It's a red button beneath me somewhere, and if you click on that you'll be subscribed. It's also a white bell next to that, and if you click on that you'll get an alert every time I upload new content. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That'd make me very happy. Today's video is me unboxing my April Birchbox. Birchbox is around $10 a month. They have different deals now. I think there's a deal that if you get 6 months you can get 1 box for free, or if you get 12 months you can get 2 boxes for free. I got in on that kind of a deal. I bought a year in advance. And what you can do with this box is, based on your profile, which I think is supposed to be the main thing, based on the reviews that you leave for the products that you get in the boxes, those are the two main things, that the box is supposed to be tailored to you based on those things. You also can go in before the box ships and they either give you an option of a curated box that has, you know, what the products are going to be, or you can choose to have one of several products for sure be in your box. I will put a link in the description box down below to my last month's unboxing. I've not been happy with this. It's like wildly away from my profile and kind of my preferences. But I do have a couple months left, so I thought it would just be interesting to let it go. And I'm not going to make any tweaks to my profile or any requests when those come up. I am reviewing now, which they've told me to do. I feel a little bit bad about it because sometimes I get products that are just wildly inappropriate for me, like beach sprays. I would never buy that, so for me to give that kind of a thing a bad review doesn't seem fair, because it's not inherently a bad product, it's just a bad product for me. But I am doing that a little bit more. So here's my box, I'll open it. All right, and this is the box. Inside of the box, it's pretty. It's probably Rifle. They do a lot of co-branding with Rifle Paper Company. I don't know that that's what this is, but it does remind me of a lot of the Rifle prints that I've seen before, but it's pretty. I'll definitely use this box for something. And it comes with a card. I'm not gonna look at the products. And there's this. Oh, this is an Earth Day thing. We love seeing all the fun ways our customers upcycle their birch boxes. I just use them, I'm looking over at my makeup, I just use them for storage. And these I generally do keep out because they're just so pretty. And yeah, they want you to show them how you upcycle your birch boxes, and then you're being encouraged to feed your mind, your body, and your soul. Okay, so here's the other confusing thing to me. This is supposed to be specific to me based on all of the things in my profile and the things that I like, but all of the things are on the card. Like when you get Ipsy or some of the other subscription boxes where everything is different, it's all kind of random. I don't understand how this card is relevant. So, but I guess we're all getting the same stuff this month. So the first thing that I see is this Lipstick Queen lip liner in natural, which is, I mean, really not going to be. In fact, I'm going to leave it in here. I'll give it to somebody else. It is a sample size. The full size is $18. Line lips with this raisin hued pencil to enhance your favorite nude lipstick shade. Bonus, the smooth waterproof formula also acts as a great base to boost the wear of other lip colors. Yeah, I'm not crazy about nude. I mean, I wear it sometimes, but yeah, I will pass this on to a friend, and this will get a bad review because all the things in my profile say that I don't like wear nudes. I wear a lot of reds. That's what I want. So this I actually might like. This is Clarins Multi-Active Day Cream SPF 20. Full size is $54. Save a step with this SPF infused daily moisturizer with antioxidants to protect your complexion from UV damage, pollution, and other skin stressors that lead to signs of aging. I like Clarins. I prefer 30. 20 is kind of a small SPF, but I do like Clarins. This is tiny. I wouldn't even take this. I mean, this is fine, but I think most of the Clarins products that I've used don't have an SPF, so I do tend to use kind of a higher SPF, so that's fine. What is this? Okay, this is Botanique Fill and Tame Brow Gel for brunette. So maybe they put different cards in each of the boxes. That's possible, because I mean, that wouldn't help someone. A brunette brow gel wouldn't be good for a blonde. Let's see what this looks like. So maybe it is tailored to me, which makes the nude pencil and the next thing in here. Yeah, okay, so I digress. So this is fine, I suppose. It is a small enough brush. Okay, that's fine for me. I don't know that I would buy this. It's definitely fine. I would give it maybe a 3 or a 4, maybe a 4. I'm liking this actually, but okay, I like this. This is shape and define and keep your brow hairs in place with this lightweight aloe vera enriched formula that doesn't flake or fade. Brush through your brows using short, gentle strokes. And I obviously have my brows done already, so I don't know what this would look like on naked brows, but I am seeing a difference. So this might be good. I'll hold out kind of judgment on that and use it again and again just to see. So that's definitely the winner so far. Next is this, another SPF 30. And this is a primer. This is Coola Classic SPF 30 Dawn Patrol Makeup Primer. Full size is $42. This primer meets sunscreen hybrid, preps skin for makeup application and protects from harmful UV rays. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Yeah, and if I'm really gonna be in the sun, I'm gonna be wearing, well, this is a 30, but I mean, I have lotions that I like. I have an Aveeno lotion that I like. I'll try this, but I have primers that I like and I have SPFs that I like, and you're really gonna have to, it's gonna have to do something spectacular for me to take the place of the sunscreen and the primer that I like. So I'll hold out judgment on this, but yeah, that's the fourth item. And the fifth item, so it's Orbe, which is a nice brand and it smells delicious, but it is a hair plumping mousse, which, I mean, I don't. Orbe Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse, full size is $39. Amp up the volume with this luxe mousse that delivers crunch-free bombshell body. Work a golf ball sized dollop through damp hair, then scrunch. Yeah, I haven't used mousse in my hair since high school, and that was a long time ago. So this will go to a friend. This is not something that I would ever use. The brow product is nice and I'll keep using it. I will try the primer. Clarins is fine, but again, if I'm gonna be in the sun, I'm gonna at least be wearing a 30. So the one thing in this box that I like is the brow gel. But yeah, everything else in I don't know. Sorry to be a complainer, but I just wanted to be honest with this, and I know that I have at least 1 month left, and I'll definitely post it when I get it. But yeah, let me know what you think about Birchbox if you subscribe to it, and tell me if there are other boxes that I should be subscribing to, how you feel about other boxes, and yeah, let me know what your experience with Birchbox has been if you subscribe to it. And thank you for watching. A lot to do in the world and a lot to do on YouTube, and it means a lot to me that you took some time to spend with me today. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.